You want me to recreate a lot more of Deepika Padukone's eye looks, and I wanted to recreate this one that she had worn at the Wave Summit. So if you're interested in today's video, let's get started and get into it. Deepika's brows are pretty natural, but they're filled in as well, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the shade dark brown to fill them in. Create soft hair-like strokes so that it doesn't look like a block. And now with the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel, set that in place. With any concealer that you have, I want you to apply that on the eyelid. With the Huda Beauty Icy Nude palette and with the shade First Class on the Morphe A20 brush, we're going to be applying this on the lid. This is our base color. Now with the shade Cold Plunge, I want you to take it and apply this towards the inner corner. And now with the shade Avalanche, let's apply that into the crease. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. With the shade Faux Fur, I want you to apply this to the outer corner of the eye. Pack it on for more pigment. And now with the shade First Class, on a fluffy brush which is not too big, I want you to blend that into the crease. Now with the shade She Rich, I want you to deepen out the outer corner of the eye. You can see how it is adding the depth. And now with the shade She Rich, on a flatter but smaller brush, add in more definition to the outer corner of the eye. Change your brush and blend that in. Back into the shade First Class, let's blend that into the crease even more softly. You want a beautiful blended look. And now with the Sigma E21 brush, which is a smudge one, and the shade She Rich, apply that close to the bottom lash line. And now with the shade Faux Fur, you want to blend it towards the inner corner of the eye. With the shade First Class, apply that right at the inner corner. And now with the bronzy shade, I want you to apply that on the lid. With the shade Faux Fur again, blend that out. And now go ahead and apply a lighter bronze shade towards the inner corner of the lid. With the shade First Class, you want to blend that very softly like I am. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. To get those beautiful lashes like Deepika Padukone, I want you to go ahead and curl your lashes. And then with the volumizing mascara, you want to apply the mascara. You can apply falsies if you want as well. And there you go guys, this is the recreation of Deepika Padukone's Wave Summit eye look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.